Let us first hear what youngsters have to say about sex education and its importance in this short video.
Yes, normally people think it is a taboo word because generally if we use this word in public, then most of people will think as a cheap impression on us. So yeah, it is a taboo word.
Sex is not a taboo word, but accordingly, we have learned that it's like a गाली. It is said like कि हम मानते हैं उसे ऐसे कि कोई भी बोलेगा oh you said this word, but if anyone will take it in a positive way, it is not a taboo word.
બિલકુલ નહીં. ઇટ્સ અ નોર્મલ વર્ડ. આપણે એને ગંદો બનાવી દીધો છે બિકોઝ આપણે એને ગંદી રીતે જ જોઈએ છીએ.
Yeah, for outer world it is.
मैंने एक्चुअली इस बारे में कभी ज़्यादा सोचा नहीं है, ओके, बट आई थिंक कि एक सोसाइटी के रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम है और लोग रेडी नहीं है इसके बारे में बात करने के लिए.
मैं समझता हूँ ऐसे थोड़े पार्ट्स में इट्स टैबू है और थोड़े पार्ट्स में ये शायद मिसकंसेप्चुअल बोल सकते हैं या तो फिर मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग कि सेक्स वर्ड को अलग तरीके से लिया जाता है. दैट्स माय पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू.
नो, आई हैव नो आइडिया जनरली.
Internet.
Books and Google, newspaper,
Books, library books, novels, even newspaper, Google, internet.
ફ્રેન્ડ્સ સાથે કોઈ ડિસ્કસ કરીને પેરેન્ટ્સ સાથે અને ગૂગલ કરીને ખબર પડી જાય.
It's a social networking sites we can get from that. YouTube, medias, from our parents especially. If they share something with us, it is more advisable.
Google gives you everything.
Google it.
इंटरनेट मोस्टली.
ઇન્ટરનેટ.
yeah, it should be a part of education, but normally colleges, schools don't take it in a brief way because they think that what the students will think about that. But I think they should be taught in detail so that they can know, because normally after the age of 18 and 16, the normally boys and girls comes in that situation when they have intimacy with each other, but then they should be taught in a detailed way so that they have the knowledge of that properly and don't misuse of that.
हाँ, મને લાગે છે કે એ રાખવું જરૂરી છે.
यस, हाँ, होना चाहिए क्योंकि एक छोटी सी अगर एज में अगर बच्चे को अवेयर किया जाए तो काफ़ी जो सेक्सुअल कैलेमिटीज़ होती है वो अवॉइड हो सकती है.
No, it should not be a part of syllabus, but students must be made aware every year for that.
I think it should be part of school or colleges. Yes, according to me, it should be a part of a syllabus, so everyone will not think it as a question mark or a inverted comma like oh you said this word. Everyone will take it in a normal way, and according to me, if it will be a course, it will be a good thing to know for everyone.
યસ, ડેફિનેટલી. जैसे मुझे आइडिया नहीं था तो वैसे बाकी लोगों को भी नहीं होगा. ઓબ્વિયસલી હોવો જોઈએ બિકોઝ એનાથી ઘણા બધા ક્રાઇમ થતાં રોકાઈ શકાય. મને એવું લાગે છે કે અત્યારે જેટલા પણ ક્રાઇમ થઈ રહ્યા છે સેક્સને રિલેટેડ એટલા માટે નથી થઈ રહ્યા કે લોકોને વધારે ઇન્ફોર્મેશન છે એની, એટલા માટે થઈ રહ્યા છે કે એ લોકોને પૂરતી પ્રોપર ઇન્ફોર્મેશન નથી હોતી.
Yes, it should be. It is necessary. Because if we are not aware about this, suppose I am not aware about it, something it happens and I am not aware about it. It's maybe bad for me.
हाँ, अब मेरे ख्याल से अभी जो इरा है उसके हिसाब से मेरे ख्याल से होना चाहिए.
હા, હોવો જોઈએ.
Yes, definitely it should be a part of our school or college education.
Yeah, sex education should be a part of our vocational learning.
It should be. बहुत सारे लोगों को ऐसा ही होता है कि कुछ आइडिया ही नहीं होता है कि क्या प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकती है सेक्स एजुकेशन गर्ल्स के लिए मेनली, बिकॉज पूरी लाइफ उनकी चेंज रहती है एवरी आफ्टर मैरिज, आफ्टर डिलीवरिंग अ बेबी. तो दे शुड नो कि हमें उसको कैसे मेंटेन करना है, कैसे प्रोटेक्ट करना है.
Yes, definitely it should be a part of the school or colleges.
Girls, as you all saw, even in this 21st century, sex is a taboo word and ignorance about sex education prevails. The reasons why I want to share this knowledge with you are: number 1, you become free from all kinds of fear, guilt and shame regarding sexuality. In many societies, words like sex or sexuality are associated with shame, fear or guilt. I want you to remove those added meanings and know it scientifically. Number 2, you become confident and responsible for your girlhood and take correct decisions related to sexuality on your own. We call it responsible sexual behavior. Number 3, you get empowered such that you can prevent sexual abuse and protect yourself. Number 4, you create a positive and a responsible view about sexuality.